This is Optimized Tube. Hey there, wonderful viewers.
Hi there.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to explore an easy AI money hack that requires no prior experience. With just a few simple steps, you can potentially earn up to $7,500 a month. So grab your keyboard and get ready to learn how to make money online with ChatGPT. Let's dive in. All right, let's begin by introducing the star of the show, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is designed to understand and generate human-like text, making it the perfect tool for our money-making hack. Next, I'll have you head over to studypool.com, which is an online tutoring platform where students ask questions and you can earn a reliable income by providing detailed explanations and answers. Click on Become a Tutor in the top right corner. This is super easy, guys, and I'm surprised no one else is talking about this. I mean, seriously, you can make thousands of dollars by just answering homework questions. And if you ask me, that's definitely a good reason to hit that like button.
Okay.
Okay. I know what you're thinking. There's just no way it's that easy. Let me break it down and tell you how this works. Students ask specific questions. Select a question or topic you are interested in, and then simply copy the question and paste it into ChatGPT. Once you have the response, make sure to read it over before you copy it from ChatGPT and paste it into the chat messenger for the student to see. It's important to make sure you're not giving out false information. Now, rinse and repeat. Answer as many questions as you can to increase your earnings. There you have it, amazing viewers. The secret to making money online with ChatGPT and StudyPool. It's as easy as copy and paste. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Until next time, stay cheerful, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video.